My name is Grace Baranek. I'm from Tomahawk, Wisconsin, and I'm studying art therapy at UW-Superior. I chose to pursue art therapy because I've always liked to create and do art. And then further along into high school, I took a lot of psychology courses, so I thought I'd just push the two together and pursue that. I decided to go to UWS because I like the small feel that the campus has, like the intimate relationships that you can have with a professor because of the setting is very nice. So I like the hands-on experience that I have with the program. We do lots of projects and then apply that into like studying and homework that we can then put into a professional career later on. The professors of the art therapy department are super fun to work with. They're very engaging. Their classes are super applicable to what I'll pursue later in a career. So it's very nice to experience something that will be useful for me. It makes the transition super easy from education to practice to then real life. So I know that with my experience through like practicum or our community projects through classes, I can expect something similar in a job that I want to pursue for myself. I would say I'm pretty prepared. I think that I've gotten great experience and lots of knowledge that'll be super helpful for me to be successful in the future.